Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get a virtual path on your Chrome browser. So if you want to have someone accompanying you while you work on the browser, you can have this virtual path. And I'm going to show you how you can get that on this video. So first you can just open your Chrome browser and then click on this extension button at the top. Go to the manage extension and in here open the Chrome Web Store by clicking on this. Okay, so the Chrome Web Store will be open and under the suggestion in here you'll find the HappyDoc virtual path for your browser. If you cannot find it in here, you can just click on the search column and find HappyDoc. Okay, you can open the apps. You can see this is a virtual path for you and your friends. A dog that keeps you company while you work. Okay, don't forget to take it out for a walk and poop on any website. Okay, you can take care of it together with your friends. And in here, to get it, you can just tap on this Add to Chrome. Let's click on Add Extension. Okay, so now it has been added to my Chrome. Let's click on it. Okay, so in here you can choose to get a new dog or take care of an existing dog by entering an existing space. So I'm going to just create a new dog in here. You can give your pet a name, but first you can choose the kind of dog that you want. Okay, I'm going to use this one, I think, and here you can give your pet a name. For example, I'm going to go with Ming, for example, here, and then you can enter your name and just tap on woof. Let's go. Okay, you can see this is my path in here, and there's this thing that you can do with your pet. You can go to the dog park, you can feed them here. You can also give them a toy, or you can also go send it to daycare or ask or bring them to walk and poop. Okay, so it doesn't allow me. Let's just find another web. For example, let's open uh YouTube. Let's close this first and then open the HappyDog again. Okay, let's see if I can go out for a walk in here. Click on OK. Okay, so in here you can need to click to clean up after your pet. Here you can give them a toy or go back home. And so that's all for me. That's how you can get a path, a virtual path on browser. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.